The Cheeyappara and Valara waterfalls are located between Neriamangalam and Adimali, around 10 km on the Kochi-Madurai Highway. The Cheeyappara waterfall cascades down in 7 steps. This is also a great place for trekking. Valara has a chain of waterfalls surrounded by thick green forests. Waterfalls can also be accessible from Munnar, around 42 km on Aluva-Munnar Rd. Nearest railway station, Aluva about 108 km and Adimali, about 109 km is from Munnar.